Hi guys, my name is Bablu Krishnadas. As my beginning mentorship is going on and students are getting a lot of benefits from this course. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the daily planner, the life-changing daily planner. If you want to be disciplined, if you want to learn new skills, and what benefits is it serving to you, I'm going to discuss all the things. And I will also be showing you what is it all about. इस डेली प्लानर में है क्या, कैसे आपको इसको काम करना है, कैसे आपको इसको रन करना है. अगर आपको बीकेडी मेंटरशिप का डेली प्लानर चाहिए, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू दैट. अगर इसको आप अपनी कॉपी पे पेस्ट कर सको और उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपने शेड्यूल को फॉलो करो, दैट इज आल्सो वी गोइंग टू वेरी बेनिफिट. बट बिफोर देन दैट, टुडे आई हैव आल्सो माय अटेंडी. हर कोर्स इज गोइंग ऑन. Priyanka is with me. Priyanka is also attending this course, and she has seen some of the major changes in her life by just following the daily planner. So I'll be just talking to Priyanka first of all. Hi Priyanka, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, Priyanka, thank you so much for joining up. Priyanka, would you like to tell the benefits of the daily planner that is serving to you?
Yes, talking about the daily benefits of the daily planner, firstly, it will make you a disciplined person as well as punctual, because we are going to write every day what we have done in the whole day. So definitely it will going to make a schedule or habit as well. If we want to develop any habit in the coming future as well, it will definitely help to make our habit. Secondly, we are going to develop a writing habit as well. So I think these are the most important benefits that one should practice daily planner.
Okay, thank you so much, Priyanka. Now, Priyanka, just tell me, do you have right now daily planner with you?
Yeah, sir, I have. I would like to show you.
Yeah,
This is
would you share it with everyone? So guys,
yes.
this is a little hard copy of the daily planner that is I'm giving to the students, and I'll be showing you too as well. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Now, Priyanka, would you tell me what is the most beneficial point out of all this daily planner, out of the 5 6 points that you cover every day, every single day, and you write it down? What is the most beneficial point for you?
Most beneficial point is as there is a column of my goal of life. So I have read in this book 10x rule that we should write our goal every day. So definitely if we write our goal every day, we will go to furnish it and put our efforts in it.
Yeah, exactly. Because I have mentioned the goal section over there, that what is your goal of life and what do you want to achieve and how will you achieve that. This is also what I have discussed in the daily planner. And yes, a lot of students are getting benefit of this. Even Priyanka is one of them. Priyanka, would you tell me how much time do you give to that? And when do you do all the daily planner activities? जो भी activities होती हैं, when do you do that?
When my class finishes, so I write the daily planner, what I have learned, what will be my schedule in the coming day. So I write the daily planner in the evening.
And is it serving you personal benefits? Like these are the benefits: you are getting disciplined, you are getting writing habits and all these things, but what personal benefits you are receiving from that? Ki sir mera ye wala section has completely improved, and but in just 10 to 15 days you are in this course, what changes are you seeing just by following the daily planner?
The most important, which can I say, is my writing habits. I would say writing habits are totally improved.
Okay. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for joining up, and it was really wonderful to talk to you. Thank you so much. So guys, this was Priyanka sharing her experience with the डेली प्लानर. नाउ यू माइट बी थिंकिंग सर ऐसा क्या इसके अंदर खास है, क्या इसके अंदर बेनिफिट है जो आपको सर्व कर रहा है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर इट विद यू. सो गाइस, गेट एक्साइटेड एंड आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू राइट डाउन excited in the chat box whether you are watching this video on YouTube, Facebook, or live, or wherever you're watching this. So I'm sharing the daily planner with you. So I'll be letting you know everything step by step, everything in this, what I'm teaching, how am I teaching in this daily planner. This is the picture of daily planner. First of all, I want to show it to you. The daily plans, date, my top 3 priorities, important times. You can move yourself only, my daily to-dos, my goal of the life, and what did I learn today and what inspired me. So this is a section of the complete daily planner that I'm sharing with my students. So I just want to give you a complete overview how you have to do this. First of all, आपको इसको कब लिखना है, I want to discuss that. Daily planner is all about doing some daily activities that inspires you. This is about the daily activities that you have to perform in every single day. Only this will help you in your life, in your personal, professional life. This is going to give you a lot of benefits. And yes, my students are getting it. So now talking about the date section is all about which is the date you are doing it. And day, okay, day, what is a day? It is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What is that time? And all these two sections that you have to mention, why I'm saying is it's very beneficial. It's very beneficial. It will help you to remember the days. It will help you to remember the activities that you are performing on that particular day. That's why I mentioned already that you have to mention the day as well. Now, I'm coming to the first section. First section is all about my top 3 priorities. This is what I'm discussing right now. My top 3 priorities. Guys, अभी मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ, एक फैक्ट बताता हूँ. लिसन टू मी. एक इंसान को साइंटिफिकली कहा जाता है एक दिन के अंदर करीब करीब 60,000 के आसपास थॉट्स आते हैं. सपने कह लो, थॉट्स कह लो, ओपिनियन, विचार आपके माइंड में आते हैं 60,000. एंड 90% आर प्रीवियस थॉट्स, जो आपके माइंड में कल थे वही चीजें आपकी रिपीट होती हैं. सो अभी जब मैं आपको कहता हूं कि टेल मी द टॉप 3 प्रायोरिटीज ऑफ द कंप्लीट डे, इस दिन के अंदर आपकी टॉप 3 प्रायोरिटीज कहती हैं, तो आप क्या करते हो? You just write down the 3-1. That means उन 59,997 जो थॉट्स हैं उनको आप दरकिनार कर देते हो. एंड यू से कि these are my top 3 priorities, these are my top 3 thoughts that I have to follow. And this is what I am teaching to my students in the daily planner कि आपको इस सेक्शन के अंदर आपकी टॉप प्रायोरिटीज लिखनी है आज के दिन में. फर्स्ट, second and third, what top 3 priorities you are going to fulfill today, and what are the things that you are going to follow in your life today itself so that you can improve. And now talking about the most important time in a day, you have 24 hours, and 24 hours as everybody is saying इस दुनिया के अंदर सबसे कॉमन चीज है समय, जो कि हर किसी के पास 24 घंटे होता है. बट अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन एंड अनसक्सेसफुल पर्सन में डिफरेंस ये होता है कि वो अपने टाइम को कैसे यूटिलाइज करते हैं, वही उनके टाइम को डिफरेंशिएट करता है. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट माय इंपॉर्टेंट नोट हियर. You have to write down the 4 most important times. 4 most important times. What is it? Is 9 o'clock that you have to read the books. It is 11 o'clock that you have to attend the class. It is 1 o'clock that you have to go to and meet friends, or it is 4 o'clock you have to again attend my class, or it is whatever the time of your life. You have to read book at 10 o'clock. What is the most important productive time? अब एक चीज को ध्यान में रखना कि जो आपकी टॉप 3 प्रायोरिटीज हैं उसके साथ आपका इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम्स दोनों मैच होने चाहिए इक्वली. It should be matching. Okay, once you will start doing it, you will start growing it. आपको पता लगेगा कि आपका टाइम और आपका इंपॉर्टेंट क्वालिटी तीनों कितना मैच करनी चाहिए, और ये तभी पॉसिबल होगा जब आप इनको मैच करोगे. ओनली देन इट विल बी पॉसिबल. अब आप कहोगे कि सर ऐसा कैसे होगा एंड हाउ कैन वी इंप्रूव? नाउ लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली that there is only one person in this world can move you, as I have mentioned over here, कि इस दुनिया के अंदर एक ही इंसान है जो आपको मूव कर सकता है. that is you. That's why I mentioned over here, you can move yourself only. I'm making this video, I'm shooting this video, and आप इसको समझ रहे हो इस डेली प्लानर के अंदर मैं क्या टीच कर रहा हूँ, कैसे टीच कर रहा हूँ. but trust me, you have to follow this schedule. You have to follow this. Only you will follow this for yourself, not for me, not for your father, not for your mother, not for anybody, not for your brother, sister, not your partner. No, you will do this for yourself only to bring some great, amazing changes in your life. So you are the person who can move yourself. You are the person going to get success in future. Okay, so this is the quotation that I have given you. You can move yourself. Every day when you will read this line, this will inspire you to do some great and magical things in your life. Next one is that I'm sharing with you is goal of my life. Remember it every day. Every day write down what do you want to achieve in your life. As Priyanka said कि सर ये मुझे एक आशा देता है कि हाँ मेरा सपना है और मुझे उसके फॉलो करना है. और जब ये आशा और ये अपेक्षा आपके सामने आएंगी बार बार वो एक ड्रीम सपना आपके सामने बार बार आएगा, तो आप उसके लिए अपनी टॉप 3 प्रायोरिटीज भी बनाना शुरू कर दोगे, उसके लिए टाइम भी निकालना शुरू कर दोगे. उसके लिए आप खुद को हिलाना, अपनी बॉडी को, अपने माइंडसेट को, अपने विचारों को मूव करना शुरू कर दोगे. जब आप उनको मूव करना शुरू कर दोगे तो आपके सपने आपके सामने साकार होते हुए दिखेंगे. But trust me, you are the person can do this. Nobody is going to do it for you. You are the person only can do this for you. Okay, and then next is very important, as I'm sharing with my students my daily to-dos. This is my daily to-dos and this is very important. अब आप लोग को बताया जाता है डेली प्लानर भैया सुबह ये करना है, शाम को ये करना है, दोपहर को ये करना है. नो, आपको यहाँ पे ये चीजें मेंशन नहीं करनी है. इस डेली प्लानर के अंदर माय डेली टू-डूज के अंदर आपको वो चीजें करनी है जो आपको क्रिएटिव बनाती हैं, जो आपको प्रोडक्टिव बनाती हैं, जो डिफरेंट है डेली शेड्यूल से. अरे ब्रश तो हर कोई करता है, नहाता तो हर कोई है, खाना तो हर कोई खाता है. उसको लिखोगे क्या कि मुझे 4 बजे खाना खाना है? नो, देयर शुड बी नो टाइम. देयर शुड बी नो टाइम. And I have heard this. I do not sleep when I'm tired. I sleep when I'm done. I do not eat food when I'm hungry. I eat food when I'm done with my task. मैं खाना तब खाता हूं जब जब मैं अपने काम को पूरा कर लेता हूँ ना कि तब मुझे भूख लगती है। भूख तो हर 2-3 घंटे बाद आपको दोबारा फिर से लग जाएगी। क्या आपने 2-3 घंटे में अपना काम पूरा कर लिया? यस और नो? दैट इज द पॉइंट। तो जब आपको यहाँ पे क्या लिखना होता है, डेली इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटीज, डेली टू डूज जो आपको क्रिएटिव बनाती है, टॉप 3 प्रायोरिटीज, और इसमें यही डिफरेंस है, टॉप 3 प्रायोरिटीज का पूरा काम, पूरा फोकस उसके ऊपर देने वाले हो, बट इसके अंदर आप वो टास्क लिखने वाले हो जो आपको क्रिएटिव और प्रोडक्टिव बनाते हैं पूरे दिन के अंदर। एंड दैट इज नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो इसके अंदर डिस्कस किया मैंने, व्हाट डिड आई लर्न टुडे। देखो दोस्तों, अगर जिंदगी में आप ग्रेटफुल नहीं हो चीजों के लिए जो आपने सीखी हैं, तो उसका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं है। आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, और आप जो भी दिन में सीखते हो, उस कहानी को, उस इंसान को, उस व्यक्ति को, उस स्टोरी को, उस कोटेशन को, उस जो भी व्यक्ति से आपने सीखा है, जिस भी कोटेशन से आपने सीखा है, जिस बुक से आपने पढ़ा है, वो कंप्लीट परफॉर्मा इसके अंदर लिखते हैं बच्चे। एंड यू नो व्हाट, माय स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट विद दिस, लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स। some of the students have changed their life, and उन्होंने promise किया कि सर जो डेली प्लानर आप मेंटरशिप 30 डेज प्रोग्राम में करवा रहे हो, हम सिर्फ इसको नहीं, हम आने वाले पूरे समय तक इसको करते रहेंगे, हम अपनी लाइफ के एंड तक इसको फॉलो करेंगे। एंड दे हैव गॉट द कंप्लीट हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ दैट। गाइस, I hope so. This is the daily planner that has changed the life of many students. And if you want to change your life, if you want to change your habits, daily schedule, then this is the what I have given to you. If you want to change yourself, if you want to see if you want to see some changes, some big changes in your behavior, in your life, in your habit, then you can just do one thing directly. Start planning what I'm teaching you. Because my teaching, my guidance is bringing some of the big changes in the life of the students. And if you want to see the same changes in your life, just directly check out the description. I have given you my contact number, or you can dial me with my number. I will provide you, or you can directly come on the WhatsApp, and I will be providing the complete daily planner PDF to you. In case if you want to know anything else, I love to reply your questions. You can ask. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a great day. Bye bye to all of you. Thank you. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.